Hi, welcome back to You Can Do It. I'm Annie, and I'm underneath this crawl space basement area. We have completely installed a vapor barrier here, and we are also installing a dehumidifier, but we are adding also a foundation exhaust vent, airflow out underneath this home. You might ask, why are you doing that if you've got a dehumidifier under here? And it's for a couple reasons. One, because of radon gases that could potentially build up underneath this home. Another is because we've got not one, but two units underneath here, the furnace and a hot water heater that both produce natural gas, or they give off the natural gas. And if there were to be a chance of a gas leak, we'd rather make sure that it's going outside this home and not being built up underneath this home. And another reason why is because every single one of these foundation vents, minus this one, have been closed off so that we can keep that relative humidity down. So that's the purpose for installing an additional fan underneath a crawl space. So we'll go ahead and get to it and show you how you can do it. So I went ahead and opened this box up so that you can see what is inside it. This is the Durablow model M2D-S430. It's the 220 CFM model. That's the larger model with the two fans here. This model will do a much larger crawl space. So the 220 CFM is how many cubic feet per minute will this cycle the air from underneath your crawl space exiting out through that foundation vent. So this is a pretty powerful unit, and yet it only runs on 0.6 amps. So it is high efficiency. It also has its own built-in humidistat, ranging from, of course, just the low 10% all the way up to 80. But because we have a dehumidifier that we're installing in here and we're setting it at 45, we're also going to set this humidistat at 45 as well, so that they're not competing against each other. So what comes with this unit is these rubberized strips that we will attach all the way around this stainless steel flange right here. This is rust resistant. The purpose of this is not only for a sealant between this unit and the masonry brick, but it also helps to deaden the sound so that it stays nice and quiet. And then lastly, what also comes with it are the anchor bolts and the screws themselves. You will need a 5/16 inch masonry drill bit in order to drill these into your foundation wall. And of course, you're going to need a hammer to hammer those in. And you will also want to have a small level to be able to make sure that this is aesthetically pleasing and nice and level inside that vent. So without any further delay, we're going to go ahead and install this into the foundation vent and get this thing up and operational.